Hello friends, join me. Let's make Zobo drink, popularly known in Cameroon as Fuleri. We are going to be making this using basically 3 ingredients. First, we'll light up our gas, fill the pot with water, then we're going to add in our pineapple peeling. This has been carefully washed. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video or try a new recipe. Please. Then we are going to go in with our Zobo leaves, also known as Fuleri leaves. They will ensure everything goes soak inside the water. Remember, I told you we are making this using 3 basic ingredients, but in case you want more, at this level you can either add in your cloves or any other thing you want to add in and boil. I didn't add it because I'm using just basically 3 ingredients: pineapple peeling and the Fuleri leaves. We are going to cover and bring it to a boiling point. It has boiled so well, so at this level I'm going to extract the liquid and pass it through a sieve. And this is what we have. So satisfying. So at this level I'm going to be using this pop drink strawberry and pineapple flavors as sweetener, and also to add in some extra flavors to our Fuleri. At this level, if you don't want any extra sweetener, you can either blend in your pineapple, cucumber and add it and enjoy it natural. But this, I decided to make use of this pop drink. It tastes so well in Fuleri. So this is the strawberry flavor. I'm going to be going in with 2 sachets and 1 sachet of the pineapple flavor. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to stir it here before adding it to the whole. I'm just going to stir to ensure everything blends in together. Now you might want to have it while it's still hot. I'm just going to go ahead and have a glass of it, and you might want to add some ice cubes into the glass before putting in your Fuleri drink. Just like this. Very nice. I'm going to let this sit for a while and get cool. Then I bottle it just like so, put in my fridge, and here's the outcome. Enjoy.